Jared Kendall with Peterman Brothers here, the branch manager here in Lafayette. We've got a nice crew out here to help out a really worthy cause with Habitat for Humanity. They're putting up a house here in our community here in Lafayette, and one of our core values is care genuinely. We really do care about our community. I want to make sure that in whatever service that we provide, we're giving utmost 5-star service to them. And this is a really cool way that we can give back on a volunteer basis, not just with our business services, but on a volunteer basis, and really help out someone that's really in need. And we had a really nice turnout from the crews. Had people from plumbing, HVAC service, sales team, and our wonderful installation crews as well. We also had a really nice show of support from some of our local vendors. We had some help from A to Z Sheet Metal with a lot of the metal work here. We had some help from Kyle at Ari Michael here locally. His management team got together. We were actually just reaching out to see if we could get the material from them, and come to find out, they decided to donate a lot of the material. So that was a really big boost and a way that they could even help, even though they couldn't come out physically to help out. At Peterman Brothers, we donated the HVAC system itself, a lot of the auxiliary equipment, line sets, and obviously our labor of our skilled technicians. We put it all in, put all the pieces in. It's been a really fun time with the guys, and just be able to help someone in need.